Good morning, everyone. Welcome again to your assembly. I hope you're all well. I'm very excited to be able to welcome back from Monday years Prep 1, 11 and 12. The school's felt so unusual over the past 3 or 4 weeks while it's been empty. So I'm really excited about getting some students back here and getting face-to-face learning happening. Now, that doesn't mean that we're going to have normal assemblies, though. The only thing that's actually changing is that some students are coming in, and all of those rules around social distancing and things are all going to be maintained. But regardless of that, I am really just so happy that we're starting to return to normal. I want to congratulate all the people who are about to receive acknowledgement for their hard work and their effort. But I also want to just say my huge thanks to your parents and to you and to your teachers who've kept learning going during week 3. Thank you very, very much. I'm really proud of the way that as a community we've stuck together and we've made sure that the nuts and bolts of learning haven't fallen by the wayside. I'd like to thank you all very much for the effort you've put in. Have a wonderful weekend when it comes, and I look forward to welcoming some of you back on Monday. Take care.
As we gather this morning for our online assembly, we do so with a sense of the importance of the country upon which we are meeting today, whether at home or at school, where learning and ceremony have taken place over many thousands of years, where the world's oldest living culture lived in a complex and spiritual relationship with the landscape, the plants, birds, and animals. Let us sense this land beneath our feet, acknowledge to whom it belongs, the Glybil and Jarowair people, and pay our respects to the elders past, present and future. I also pay my respects to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people listening today and to all those working for social justice and reconciliation in Australia. Let us all remember the past, the people and the history of this country in the work we do here at Mary MacKillop Catholic College, and work together to help create an equitable future for all Australians. For we are all one in land, one in spirit, one in faith, united in God's love. Gambadaru, everyone. I hope you have all been able to say Gambadaru to someone this week. By saying hello in this way, you are helping to keep an ancient Aboriginal language alive. Maybe you have also had the chance to say Wanya or welcome in the Jarowair language. Aboriginal people have lived in Australia for tens of thousands of years. Science has proven that Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people have been here for 65,000 years. However, there is evidence that it has been much longer than that, possibly even as long as 189,000 years. Aboriginal languages have been spoken across Australia throughout this time, and although much was lost during colonisation, some languages are being revived. We can do our bit to help in this revival by using language whenever possible. I want to thank you all for playing your part in doing this.
Gambadaru. Welcome to Week 3's Westie Awards. What have you shown in your actions and words this week that shows you are a Westie? Last week I shared some ideas with you about how you can be a Westie at home, so I hope you've been trying them this week. Here's this week's awards. Prep students. Prep koalas, Lachlan Morris. Prep possums, Holly Kavanagh. Prep bilbies, Dylan York. Year 1 students. 1 Jindabyne, Addie Ellison. 1 Argyle, Nell Davies. 1 Eyre, Annabelle Doman. Year 2 students. 2 Silky Oak, Lyric Johnson. 2 Grevillea, Holly Garrels. 2 Coolabah, Ariana Randall. 2 Banksia, Connor Robinson. Year 3 students. 3 Tabletop, Izzy Bond. 3 McPherson, Audrey Little. 3 Keppel, Cade Dungy. Year 4 students. 4 Gary, Audrey O'Dwyer. 4 Bunya, Samantha Wayne. 4 Kynock, Emily Carter. Year 5 students. 5 Ballon, Lucy Gunders. 5 Warrego, Annabelle Bond. 5 McIntyre, Monique Attard. Year 6 students. 6 Morton, Kira Giselle. 6 Fraser, Caitlin Carr. 6 Stradbroke, Lucas Ward. Congratulations everyone. Now I hope you're going to have a lovely weekend this weekend, and happy Mother's Day to all our mums, our grandmas, our aunties and all those people who are our mother at home. Make sure you spoil them this weekend. God bless you.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to the Making Learning Real section of our assembly. Before I get into giving out the awards this week, I'd like to acknowledge the work of probably about 96% of our students who are ensuring that they are submitting completed work each week. If you're one of the small percentage of people who are having trouble submitting your work each week online, then please make sure that you're communicating with your classroom teachers so that they are able to offer you support. Okay, let's get on to the exciting part. The awards. This week in prep, I'd like to congratulate Matilda, Harrison and Dwyer. Well done. In Year 1, we have Lucas, Nate and Chloe. In Year 2, congratulations to Flynn, Braxton, Annabelle and Daly. In Year 3, congratulations to Estelle Williams, Nicholas Adams and Ted Ford. In Year 4, congratulations Alexis, Florence and Melanie. In Year 5, well done to Austin, Ayla and Harrison. And in Year 6, a big congratulations to Abby, Emily and Gabrielle. Congratulations to this week's Making Learning Real Award recipients.
Thanks so much, Mrs. Adler, and congratulations everyone. It's Mrs. Rulli here, and we are going to talk about our positive learning behaviours for week 4. Prep and Year 1 children, we are very excited to see you return to our college on Monday morning. And this is going to ask of you to get back into school routine. So your positive learning behaviour for next week is to follow the routines of being back at school, in the classroom, in the playground and moving around the college. Students in Year 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, you are continuing with your online learning journey. So your positive learning behaviour for next week is to continue to work after a setback. In our week 1 assembly, Mr. Nika spoke about the learning pit and how sometimes our learning or our work can be a little bit of a struggle, and we have to find ways to come up out of that learning pit. As you head into week 4 of your learning journey, some things will become easier and some parts of your learning might become challenging. So we really ask you to continue to work to the very best of your ability, to your capacity, and when things don't quite work or go your way, that you try and find a way out of that. Ask for help, ask for support. Have a really great week 4, everyone. We look forward to the end of next week, and we will do another Joey point count and see how many Joey points we have given out for term 2 so far. Mr. Albion's now going to talk to us about some of our wellbeing challenges. Have a great week.
Good morning everyone, welcome to the wellbeing section of our assembly. This week our house challenge is about kindness and gratitude. It links to the P from our PERMA model, and that's all about positive emotions. So what we want you to do is share an image of you doing something you enjoy with the special females in your life. That could be something from this weekend for Mother's Day, and it could show kindness and gratitude for the things that Mum does for us. So please do contribute, put in an image, and everyone who contributes will receive a house point. Another wellbeing challenge that we're taking up for this month is the push-up challenge. This challenge is from Headspace and it happens annually, and it's all about maintaining or promoting mental health within our communities. So within the challenge, there's a number of awareness programs that will be putting out information about mental health for young people and also everybody in the community. And then also there's a physical element to it to try and improve our physical health, which is push-ups. So you need to complete 3,046 push-ups within 20 days. So from the 11th of May to the 31st of May. You might think this is impossible. Yeah, it would be quite challenging to do that by yourself. It is doable. I think it works out to 145 push-ups per day if you do it individually. But what we're looking at doing is doing it in teams. So with our teams, what we want to do is try and get up to 10 people in our teams. And that means if we get 10 in a team, we only need to do 15 push-ups each per day for that period of time. If it's something you're interested in, please email me. So my email is at the bottom of the screen. And it obviously links to our PERMA model being a health activity, so for our own physical health, and also accomplishment. It'll be quite an achievement to complete this at the end of this month and say, yep, I did complete those push-ups every day. Please get involved. If there is any more information you want, get in touch and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you to everyone who's been contributing to our house challenges. Please enjoy the selection for this week.
Hi guys, Mr. Brunner here. This week's house challenge trick shot. I'm going to try to kick the footy over our house and I'm going to try to catch it diving into the pool. High risk, high reward. Go McCormack. Are you ready?
Go Dad, go! Go, go Dad!
Introducing Neil Davies. May Davies.
Go Annabelle.
Good morning, students, and welcome to week 3 assembly. Hope you had a fantastic week. I've been chatting to your teachers, and the overwhelming feedback is that you guys have done some amazing work. So well done. There has been significant improvement from week 1 to week 3, and for that, you guys should be very, very proud. I know we as teachers are so thankful and so appreciative of the students that keep going, keep persevering, keep asking questions and completing the work. So we are so thrilled. We have two students that I want to acknowledge today. Teachers have been emailing me throughout the week, and we don't have time to go through every single one, but these two I want to acknowledge today. First one is Jara Sunawadakul in Year 7 for just outstanding work across all the subjects. You've completed all tasks, you have met all the deadlines, and the standard of work you are producing is just outstanding. So well done, Jara, and keep up the great work. Our second is also from Year 7. Her history teacher mentioned she's done outstanding work, Lani Natman. Now, this was significant because there was an optional activity to do, and Lani actually took the time to do the optional task and challenge herself further by doing voiceovers on her presentation and embedding clips into her presentation, and again challenging herself. What I like is Lani there has not lowered herself but took on the challenge and pushed herself that next bit to improve as a learner. So well done, Lani. Finally, now the Mary Mac point winner. The winner of this gets a special prize from Mr. Albion. This time it's also again movie tickets. Who knows what Mr. Albion will give or what's in his treasures of rewards. But today's winner, also from Year 7, Year 7s are cleaning this up today, is Ava Smith. Well done, Ava, for doing outstanding work. You have been noticed by your teachers as well, so thank you. The rest of the students, well done for what you have achieved this week. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.
A House Points leaderboard update. You'll notice that Penola has started to come back towards everybody else. So Cunningham, Tennyson, McCormack had a big week. There was a large amount of Joey points for Cunningham this week. There was over 150, and Tennyson and McCormack have had a good week as well. Please continue to collect our Joey points, Mary Mac points, and get involved in our house challenges and our MacFit challenges to contribute to your houses. Have an awesome weekend. I'll look forward to seeing our Year 11s, our Year 12s, and our Preps and 1s next week.
Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Cridland here again. I'm hoping that you've had another great week and you have been able to access all of the online learning that the teachers have provided for you. Don't forget that this next week we have a number of events happening, and we will be welcoming back our Year 1s, our prep students, and our Years 11 and 12. So it'll be great to see you and look forward to having you in our classes again. On Sunday we have Mother's Day. It's a time when you can thank your mums for being the amazing people that they are. Don't forget to take time, give her a big cuddle, or do something that's just a little bit special to say thank you. I know everybody's been working extremely hard, and I see all the photos coming in from the MJR Awards, so big congratulations to you. I know that students have been engaging in all the different house challenges, and not forgetting all of the online learning behaviours too. So huge congratulations to all of you. We'll be continuing with our online assemblies for a few more weeks until we get the okay that we can gather again as a whole college. So for now, I thank you for another week. Don't forget Mother's Day, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Bless our Mary MacKillop School family. We pray that everyone will live and work in peace. We pray that everyone will spread happiness. We pray that everyone will show love for one another and love for our God. We pray that everyone will follow the way of Mary MacKillop and celebrate God in all things. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy